In the previous video, we flashed the firmware in Betaflight, enabled the servo feature, and completed the software setup for payload dropping. Now let's move on to the hardware part. First, strip the positive, negative, and servo wires of the silicone cable. Then tin them. Pre-tin the pads on the voltage regulator module. Solder the positive and negative wires of the servo cable to the outside of the voltage regulator module. Solder one end of the two silicone power wires positive and negative to the inside of the voltage regulator module. Next, tin the pads on the flight controller. Solder the yellow wire of the servo cable to the LED pad on the flight controller. Then solder the other ends of the two silicone power wires to the GND and bat pads on the flight controller. At this point, soldering the servo wire to the flight controller is complete. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up the servo using click commands in Betaflight.